Tom and Clay, and welcome back. We are in Mesa, Arizona, just outside Phoenix. We are at Blue Compass RV, just outside of Phoenix, and I've already said that. Hey there, Tom and Clay, and welcome back. Today we are in Mesa, Arizona, just outside Phoenix, and we are at Blue Compass RV, formerly Tom's Camperland. They are now part of the Blue Compass family. We're looking at an off-road travel trailer. This is the Lance Enduro. Wait till you see this sucker, come on. All right, so as we start up in the front, you see there is a large pass-through storage. I mean, that is huge, Lisa, for something this small.
It really is.
When I mean small, let's back up so you can see. I mean, this is it, it's a tiny travel trailer, but it is made and built to go off-road. Up front, in front of that is this huge metal utility closet, okay? So it's all steel up here.
Nice.
Okay? Your propane tank is right there. It's 20 pounders, easily to exchange out.
Beautiful.
Nice extended handrail, cool door. As we move to the back, you will see this is actually where your kitchen is. It's sort of inside outside. You've got a little 2-burner stove here. Also a little tray for storing utensils and things. There's a little bit of storage underneath your sink and a little countertop space out here as well. This is your refrigerator. Okay, you can see it here, so we'll mention here's a TV that it can either be facing inside or outside. And you have storage up here, I think, for dishes and things like that up here. There is a hitch in the back for utility. Your spare tire, as you can see, swings out so that you can get it out of the way to access the kitchen. But we'll just push this back out of the way just a little bit. It does have tanks for holding, so there you go there. There is where you connect your sewer hose. Again, all your fenders and things are all metal, okay? This is made to go off-road. Here is the other side of that storage, as well as your water connections right there. In front of that is another metal cabinet, but this one is utilities, where your batteries are. You got lithium-ion batteries. It's got solar already mounted, which we'll show you in just a second. Up in the front, you got a couple of bike racks, so you can put your bikes up here. Okay, this is manual, and you got a manual crank that you can see right here, so you're going to take it off your truck with just cranking. But if you look up, Lisa, you can see there is your solar up top there, right?
Look at that. And
there's also a big tray up here for storing things. I also want to let you know, as we come around here to the side one more time, oh yeah, your power connection, sorry. I almost forgot that, so this is where you connect to city power. Okay? There are 4 LED spot lights up at the top of your rack, because there's storage up there on the top too, that's a rack. So there's one on each corner. And so if you're out somewhere and you need to illuminate the woods or whatever, you can angle those however you need to angle them, which is neat. So let's go inside. All right, so remember, this is a tiny travel trailer, but it is made to go off-road. This is made to go off in the woods. You're gonna be spending most of your time outside, not inside. As you see, here is your sort of dining area. Now this table is neat. It kind of moves around, so you can just spin it to get in, and then spin it, and it can also twist this way, which is neat. This is also your bedroom. So to convert this into the bedroom, this will come off this pipe. This part goes onto these 2 little rails right here, and then the cushions come down, and you've got a decent sized bed. In fact, let's get a measurement on how decent sized that is. It's gonna be, oh geez, like 78 inches by, oh geez, almost 70 by 70.
so that is an RV King?
Yeah, it's a really big bed for something this tiny.
It is.
As you can see, there's LED lights everywhere. There's storage compartments underneath the bench that I'm sitting on, or sorry, across from me. Okay. There's a little cubbies up here above my head and across from me. Of course, you have AC and heat and everything that you need. It was just really neat. It also has a bathroom. Look at that. You know what time it is.
It's time for Tom's Toilet Test.
All right, y'all, if this is your first time joining us, I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around this off-grid travel trailer. This is a wet bath, meaning everything it is all sort of included in the one shower. It's all made to get wet. I cannot stand up here even if I wanted to, okay? But I am on the toilet, and I gotta tell you, at my height, it's comfortable being on the toilet. There's no restrictions. It does have a shower miser type valve, meaning if you are off grid and trying to conserve water, if you flip this valve, it recycles the water till it gets hot for you. Once it gets hot, you flip the valve and then the water's going into the tank, okay? Above here is some additional storage, which I gotta stand up to access because I gotta twist it, okay? And that is where you can put your towels and things, I would think.
That is actually really deep.
It is really deep.
I'm surprised.
Now what is not in here is a sink, and so you're gonna have to use the sink outside. But as you can see, I can almost stand up. That's me, legs fully extended. So, you're gonna have to take a shower standing, or I'm sure there's a nozzle outside. You can take a shower outside.
You mean take a shower sitting?
Well, I can take a shower sitting inside or use a shower outside.
Yeah.
Right? And so there you have it. Now behind Lisa, we'll show you, that's again, remember that's the outside right there. That's where the kitchen is. If this is closed and you're in for the night, you see you do have access to your refrigerator, access to the TV, which will articulate this way. There's some more storage up above there as well.
And quite honestly, you can access the sink.
You could, yeah. If you sat down there on top of the little refrigerator thing, yeah, you could get to the sink from the inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is really neat, guys. If you're into off-roading and you're the adventure type, this sucker is made to go out into the bush. Right, again, this is the 1200 EK. Again, the Lance Enduro 1200 EK. Absolutely amazing off-grid travel trailer. Let us know what you think in the comments below. If this is your first time finding our videos, you know what to do, right? Thumbs up, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. We would really sincerely appreciate it. It is free to you, costs you nothing, and it does really help out the channel. As far as the Tall Man Clan goes, God bless you guys. Thank you so much for being with us through thick and thin. Until we see you all again on the road, be safe.